Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. So a few of you guys have mentioned how ugly this prop rod is, and I totally agree with you. So I went ahead and got the Redline Struts as a few of you have recommended, and that's what we're going to be doing in today's video. So let's get started. Alright guys, we are all done. Check those out. It looks so much better, so much cleaner. Big shout out to the guys who recommended this brand. I really appreciate it. The installation went pretty smoothly. It only took about an hour or so. The hardest part was actually snapping on the hood strut at the bottom portion because it is such an awkward angle. Let me know if you have ever installed hood struts on your GT350. I'm curious to know how the installation went. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.